You see, Vivo really knows how to make a splash, don't they? The X300S comes with a powerful telephoto lens, and it also shares the exact same impressive imaging capabilities as the X300 Ultra. Even though it hasn't been officially launched yet, I was fortunate enough to get my hands on their X300S photographer's kit right away. You just tear it open right here, then lift it up, and the phone is perfectly nestled inside.
I'm really curious about the accessories inside this box. You should pull it out like this. This card tells you what items are underneath. A brand new teleconverter. Luckily, I have the previous generation right here. Everyone, take a look. It's become shorter and also lighter. This means it's more convenient to carry it when you go out. Here we have a metal decorative ring, a lens adapter ring in silver. And over here, there's a small Zeiss blue logo. Inside, is its crossbody strap. And here are two protective covers. The phone case here is green and it has a distinct diamond texture when you touch it. Next, let's bring out the phone itself. We have the film green colorway. Oh, so the X300S has a big screen. They've used a dual color design. The bottom is actually silver with green. And here's a silicone case. Nice. And here's a 90-watt A-port charging head. As usual, when we look at a phone, we first check its appearance. Now, I've placed the X300S between the X300 and the X300 Pro. You'll easily notice that its size, is consistent with the X300 Pro. It's a 6.78-inch flat screen. But the camera module's arrangement, you see, it's consistent with the X300. And in the middle, there's a small Zeiss blue logo. The flash is placed in the top left corner of the phone body. What's also quite special, looking from the side, it also, like the X300, features frosted glass, and a volcano-style transition. The benefit of this, naturally, is when you hold the phone like this, the camera module area won't feel sharp or uncomfortable in your hand. What's quite special is that this generation features a dual tone design. But note, you won't feel this dual tone when you touch it. My feeling is that it's to make the X300S more like a small V single, or rather, to give this phone more distinctiveness. The side has a matte, basic right-angled frame. And everyone, please notice the color of this frame. It actually has a slight greenish tint. I think it forms a photographic echo with the back panel. The phone features an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on its front, along with a 6.78-inch 144 Hz flat display. We'll talk about that later. Now, concerning the X300S, I'm sure most of the content you've come across is evaluating its imaging capabilities because it also boasts a powerful telephoto big cannon, which is essentially a teleconverter, providing extremely strong long-range zoom abilities. Plus, it has all the same features as the X300 Ultra, like various different imaging styles, which you can even add yourself. For example, this color palette, not only does the Ultra have it, the X300S also has it, and so on and so forth. We won't elaborate further. But to be honest, guys, what truly attracts me to the X300S isn't its imaging, not its 200 megapixel main camera, not its telephoto lens. Then what is it? First, we just mentioned this flat screen, BOEQ+. First, I think its polarization control is good. Next, I think this screen's viewing angle is quite extreme. Just look at this viewing angle, and I think its white balance is actually quite good. There's no reddish tint, nor does it appear green when viewed from the side. It is indeed a screen with excellent visual quality. Of course, as a manufacturer, you can't find fault with it, right?
Second point, look at this phone specs. The Tianji 9500, what's it paired with? A massive 7100 mAh battery. If I'm not mistaken, Vivo's main flagship. This is the absolute biggest battery this year, right? And at the same time, even with such a large battery, its overall thickness is still controlled at just 8 millimeters, trying to maintain a relatively good feel in your hand. For the third point, we really have to bring out Dukao. After all, with symmetrical dual speakers, everyone, check this out. How to put it? Even pro users would be envious. The fourth point is the motor. The X300S truly has a brand new custom motor, and its haptic feedback is genuinely quite good. Actually, you might notice I haven't said much about this phone because I truly don't know what to say. Its configuration is quite versatile. You could call it an all-rounder. If you really like this brand system and you want a product that isn't too specialized, then the X300S might truly be a good choice.
But we're not recommending it now because I really don't know how they price it. Everyone, please wait until after the press conference, then take a look at this product. Okay, bye-bye.